Meet plantain, a plant that everyone should know. If you were to walk outside right now, you're almost guaranteed to find plantain growing in your yard. You'll also find it growing along roadsides, in driveways, meadows, and even in cracks in the sidewalks. Despite being considered a common weed by many, this plant has been used for centuries in herbal medicine. One of my favorite things about plantain is how gentle it is. It's super gentle, but it's also very effective. It's also very common. And all of those things together make plantain one of my top 5 herbs of all time. One of the most remarkable things about plantain are its drawing abilities. Plantain has the ability to pull out toxins, splinters, infections, and venom when applied topically in a poultice or salve. You can also take plantain internally. Internally, you take it as a tea or a tincture, and it's great for the digestive tract as well as the urinary system. It contains a compound called mucilage, which coats the mucous membranes, and it's very soothing for the stomach. There are 2 common species of plantain that are widely found across the world. The first one is broadleaf plantain, scientific name Plantago major, and the second is narrowleaf plantain, scientific name Plantago lanceolata. Despite their differences in appearance, both are equally medicinal and they can be used interchangeably in every way. Plantain contains a rich profile of bioactive compounds, including aucubin, which is a potent anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial agent. It also contains allantoin, which promotes cell growth and tissue repair. And finally, it contains mucilage, which coats the mucous membranes. In traditional Chinese medicine, plantain is known as a cooling herb, and astrologically, plantain is ruled by the planet Venus, the planet of love, beauty, pleasure, and values. An observant person will find plantain growing and thriving almost everywhere, from urban lots to wild meadows. It's a resilient, unassuming plant that offers medicine to anyone who can recognize it. It's easy to identify and abundant in many climates. Plantain is a wonderful reminder that sometimes the most powerful remedies are the most accessible.